What if you could look back at your 20s, confusing decade, but at a solid foundation of a legendary life? Not by luck, not by grinding yourself into the ground, but by design. Stick around because in the next few minutes, you will have the exact blueprint. So I get it. This is supposed to be your prime, but it feels more like a crisis. You see everyone else moving forward and you are just stuck. The pressure to have it all figured out is paralyzing. And the worst part, common advice is to just hustle harder, to burn out chasing a version of success that doesn't even feel like your own. That hustle at all cost mentality, the villain in your story. But what if it didn't have to be that way? What if building a legendary life wasn't about building a 10-step plan, but a fundamental shift in your philosophy? After working with some of the most successful people, I have boiled it down to three non-negotiable pillars. Pillar one is the foundation of self-belief. This is where you become a delusional believer in yourself. Step two is the practice of radical honesty. This is your internal compass, cutting through the noise. And pillar three is the engine of growth. This is how you make it all happen 1% at a time. Let's start with self-belief. I am not talking about blind and arrogant confidence. I'm talking about a delusional level of self-trust, the kind where you believe you will succeed or you will find a way to succeed. There is no other option. And here's how you build it. Starting today, step one, the I will succeed mantra. Every morning you look into the mirror, you say it out loud. I will succeed or I will find a way to succeed. There is no other outcome. It feels silly at first, but you are reprogramming your subconscious for victory. Step two, destroy the limiting beliefs. What is one story you tell yourself? I am bad with money. I am not a writer. Your job is to argue against it. Write down all the evidence that prove that belief wrong. You'll find out that it is flimsier than you think. Step three, create a proof of success. This is a notes app or a journal where you write down every win. No matter how small, finished task, a win. A hard conversation, win. You're building a documented case for your own capabilities. Now, pillar two, self-belief without honesty is just delusion. This is about being brutally honest with yourself. Your gut feeling, that's your internal GPS. Ignoring it is how you get lost. And here's your honesty workout. Every night, ask yourself, where was I dishonest with myself today? Did I pretend that a task was more important than what it was? Did I ignore my gut feeling about a person? No judgment, just observation. Step two, the 5-second gut check. Before any decision, what to eat, what to post, whether to take a job, pause for 5 seconds and ask, what is my gut screaming at me to do right now? Finally, the engine that makes it all real, a daily growth. A legendary life isn't built in a day. It's built day by day by getting 1% better. Let's make it automatic. Step one, define your 1%. What does 1% look like for you today? Is it a 10-minute walk? Is it reading 5 pages of a book? Is it sending one email you have been avoiding? Be specific. Step two, the no 0 days rule. You never let a day pass without doing that one thing for your growth. Even if you are sick, you can read one paragraph. The momentum is everything. Step three, and this is the secret sauce. Detach from the outcome. You now have the three pillars: self-belief, radical honesty, and daily growth. This is your new philosophy. Okay, but if you're thinking, so how do I now put all of this together in a plan that I can follow? I have exactly what you need. My next video walks you through creating your personalized one-page legendary life plan. It will take you about 10 minutes and it will change everything. It is the perfect next step. Click right here on screen right now to watch it. I'll see you on the next one.